What's up everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be organizing the bathroom cabinets. It's been long overdue. For those of you who have been to my channel before, you know I've been in my place a little over a year and I just haven't seemed to just kind of get it organized how I want. But besides all of that, I just wanted to let you guys know that I am doing a collaboration with my really good friend, So Mayi. She has a channel here on YouTube. And if you guys like my channel, you're definitely going to love hers. She's a wife, she has 4 kids, and she works full time. Now, you know she is a very busy mom. She posts every Friday and Sunday, and you can find all types of content from organizing, cleaning, decor, and mom life. So once you guys are done with today's video, make sure you guys go ahead and head over to her channel. All of her information will be down in the description. And without further ado, let's just jump right into it. If you're coming over from Mayi's channel, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you guys. Let me know who you are. Introduce yourselves down in the comments. I love chatting with you all. If you want to keep up and have more behind the scenes, go ahead and follow me over on Instagram. I will have my handler pop up right here on the screen as well as in the description below. I did end up repurchasing a few new things, but a lot of the stuff that I already had on hand, I just repurposed it. This liner I got from Home Goods. I believe it was $4.99, or excuse me, $6.99. And then I also picked up a Lazy Susan. That was actually $4.99. And then I got a fridge organizer, and that was $7.99. So I didn't really go over budget. I was trying really hard not to spend a lot of money, so that was good. And then I picked up this over the door, I guess, towel organizer. I guess they say that's what they say it's for, but that's not what I'm going to be using it for. And that was from Target, from the Threshold brand, as well as that little caddy with drawer organizing thing. You see it right there? Yeah, that thing. So those were the most expensive things, just because they were from Target, and you know Target can get expensive a little bit, but I really loved them and they worked perfectly. Again, nothing was over, I would say, $20-$30. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you guys hit that little bell button so you guys are notified every single time I upload a video. clean my hair brushes as well as my makeup brushes, I'm going to be using the Dr. Bronner's Castile soap in the citrus scent. I use this for a lot of things around the house. I love it because it's non-toxic and it doesn't have any harsh chemicals. everything is nicely organized and put away, I'm just going to go ahead and straighten up the sink because I made a mess while cleaning my makeup brushes as well as the combs. So I'm just going to clean it out, everything up, and then I will show you guys the final results. So that pretty much wrapped up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys got the cleaning motivation and even an inspiration just in life in general. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all soon. Bye.